Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Teton Sport Celsius XXL 0 degrees gray color sleeping bag with a left zipper. Are you looking for a sleeping bag to use either for camping in different seasons or perhaps to keep warm at lower temperatures in case of emergencies? That was exactly what I was looking for as I was searching through all kinds of possible sleeping bags until I found this Teton Sport sleeping bag. The Teton XXL 0 degree sleeping bag is created to withstand very low temperatures, as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit actually, making it a great option for cold season camping. It has a lot of space inside and can easily accommodate adults up to 6.5 feet tall. It has a soft lining which is very comfortable and has an adjustable hood on the top to keep my head warm and protected from the cold weather. It also comes in different colors, and this particular one is the gray one. This one is a left zip, which means that if you are inside the bag lying on your back, the zipper is on your left side. Keep in mind that left versus right zip may or may not align with whether or not you're left or right-handed. Overall, I'm really liking the quality of this sleeping bag. If you are looking for a low temperature, high quality sleeping bag, you definitely want to check this out.